Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorials. My name is Ghost, and today's recording is about a hit called "Is the result what the user was searching for?" This is for Australian chain businesses. I am taking the qualification. Let's see how it goes. This one should be really easy again to work with, so long as you understand the query as well as the answer. So for this one, the query is Bluefish pediatrics, and the answer is this one. Click on the primary website to check it, and this one as well. Do they match? Yes, they do match, so it is the same. Stab zone near me. Stab zone is, let's see what for business is this. Our locations, they got Birmingham, do Alabama, they have Power Zone Volleyball Center. This is totally irrelevant. Yep, moving on, Batteries Plus in Douglasville. Now the location does not matter here, but the name of the business. Batteries Plus Bulbs, Atlanta, Georgia. It's the same. Argo T in Chicago, Argo T. It is going to be the same. Capital One. This is an ATM here, so it's a department. Chancy Drugs, Valdosta. This is the website. It's the address. Move on here. Chancy Drugs. They are going to be the same. Home Depot. Home services at Home Depot. That will be a variation or a department. Walmart 29, Jefferson City. Walmart Supercenter. Let's click on this one. Subway. Totally different. Publix Pharmacy. And let's Publix Supermarket. This is going to be a variation, most likely. Now, Steak and Shake in Victorville. Yellow Basket Burgers. That will be the same. Wells Fargo. Again, Wells Fargo is the bank. ATM. It's a department of this bank. Portillo's free delivery. Portillo towing. That's different. Hold on, let's check this one. Portillo's. What is this business? Free cake on your birthday. Uh, what? Okay. Uh, Portillo towing. It's taking a while to load, but most likely this is irrelevant to the query. Now, Super 8 in Naperville. I'm getting that error message again. All right, that will cause a problem for us, but let's try it. Super 8 by Wyndham, Appleton. It's going to be the same. Coles. See, there it is. It's a department store. Arthur Coles Farm. It's irrelevant. Alaska, USA. That's going to be the same. Pizza Hut hours in Rio Rancho. That's the same. Advanced Auto, Advanced Auto Parts. It is the same business. Walgreens Mukilteo Painfield. What's this? Let's see if www.painfield.com. Walgreens Painfield. It's different. That's totally irrelevant. Uh, Blockbuster ADN. It is the same business. Navy Federal Credit Union. They do have the same site. Let's check again. Navy Federal Org. Yep, it's the same business. Budget car rental in Denver Airport. Budget. Yeah, it's the same. Dennis menu. Of course, it'll be the same. Again, the name of this hit is the result what the user was searching for. Australia, Australian chain businesses. Brothers Pizza, Brothers Italian Restaurant. Oh man, we're having some network connectivities again, or network connectivity issues rather. But Brothers Pizza. Let's try google.com for this. Ah, now this thing is making it hard for us. Let me go to Google incognito, and this is Brothers Pizza, Brothers Italian Restaurant. I'm not sure if they are the same. Uh-huh. What about this? I think they are irrelevant. Hold on. I'm getting this error. Let's just submit it. Walgreens and 4th Street. That's is there it is. They are the same business. Tacos El Rancho. Oh man. Let me try this. Oops. Uh, all right. This is going to be a problem. Let me go back to the incognito window. Let's try this one. Taco El Rancho. Mm-hmm. It's that's totally different from Taco Bell, right? Yeah, it is different. Yep, so we passed the qualification test. Again, the name of the hit is the result what the user was searching for. It's Australian chain businesses. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you all for watching, and please do subscribe to the channel. And if you feel like there's something for us to improve on, I know there's a lot because this channel is fairly new and I'm new at vlogging things and stuffs I do on the internet. So please do leave a comment down below. and like the video if it helped you out. And what else? Just, promote our channel. Thank you for watching and have a good weekend. Bye.